I'm Priscilla Metters with Nashville Wraps. Today I'm going to show you how to make these great tissue poofs, which make a wonderful alternative to a bow on a gift. I'm going to start with one sheet of our 20 by 26 tissue. It's already folded in half, so I'm going to fold it in half again. And then one more time. Then I'll take some scissors and cut this long folded edge. Then I'm going to cut off these folded ends here. Put those aside. Then I'm ready to start accordion folding the tissue. Make the folds about 1 inch wide. These don't have to be very precise. It's a very forgiving project. Once you get done with that, fold it this way and give it a crease. Then take your scissors and cut a little notch off of either corner. So that's what it looks like in the middle. Then I'm going to take my scissors and round the ends off to make flower petals. I prefer a rounded look, but you could also do a point or a little zigzag to give the flower a spiky look. Then I'm going to take some ribbon. I like to use 2 pieces, one shorter and then one longer to wrap on a gift. These don't have to be any certain length. Just give yourself enough to work with. So then I'm going to stack my ribbon and then my flower on top of that, and then take one twist tie. Then twist it together underneath the flower. And then you're ready to start fluffing the tissue. Just take one piece at a time, pull it out, and then just keep going. Then go ahead and do the other side. It's okay if you tear the tissue a little bit because no one will be able to tell. Then once you get to the end, just keep fluffing it until you like the way it looks. And then it's pretty much ready to go on a gift. You can also take your scissors and cut the ends of the ribbon in little V's, which is really cute. Nashville Wraps has a wide selection of printed and solid tissues and many other beautiful options for packaging.